I cannot work unless I am in that place of prayer and love. I put Hebrew around a lot of my pieces because it actually literally says what I'm feeling. Serena loves to work with me. And her name is Serena because she is so serene. And when I work, she always helps bring me and keep me into the zone. These are just little touches at the end of the piece, which is really my favorite part. And I'm able to really go into it and tune it up and make the darks richer and the lights lighter. It also brings me to gratitude to God for the beauty that He's created within us. And we are part of that. We are part of that. So while I'm on the landscape painting, it circulates the beauty within, the beauty without. This is what my work is about. This is also when I feel the happiest in my entire life. When I'm sitting in front of the Chama River, early in the morning at dawn, sitting at that river is a prayer of devotion and gratitude. And that is what goes into my work. That's what I need to go into my work, and that's why I do it. So I put these psalms around it, praising the beauty of it with the power of the Hebrew letters, and to me it's a perfect match.